Oscar, Tyson, Oscar. Where's your boys? Who wants a treat? There, I got you.
Today, Terry, I, and the boys visit the south side of Lake Thunderbird. The Clear Bay Recreation Area has 18.5 miles of hiking trails for hikers and mountain bikers. Each of the 5 trails is interconnecting, and they can also be hiked on their own as a loop. The 1.5 mile green loop and 1 mile yellow loop are best for folks like us, beginners. Intermediate hikers will be comfortable on the 1.5 mile red loop and the 4.7 mile blue loop. The gold loop, which consists of 10 miles of switchbacks, should probably be left to the expert level hikers only. Although we did not prefer this area for camping to our RV site, Clear Bay offers many RV sites with a dump station.
What's going? You want swimming? You get in that water. Come here. Well, this is our last evening at Lake Thunderbird, and it's a beautiful place. Didn't catch any fish though, but that's okay. Wow, there's that big boat. Hear it. Tyson, Oscar, where's your boys? Who wants a treat? There, I got your attention. Got your attention. Tyson's enthralled. Hey, buddy, I saw that. Oscar. Okay. Hey, Terry.
Hi, Eric.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Hey, boys. Looks like
ready to go.
they're ready to go. Well, we just finished up outside, met some really neat neighbors.
Yeah, very nice people from Texas.
Yeah. So we had a good time talking to them. Shared some time with our little doggies, and so we're going to go ahead and head out. We got some severe weather coming in. It looks like in Oklahoma, some tornadoes potentially, and so we're going to get Abby cleaned up, put her up in the in storage, and then next Friday we're taking her to have some warranty work done, just a few minor things, and check our seals and just make sure everything's 100% because we're going to put Abby up for the season, right?
Yep.
So probably won't be doing a whole lot of travel videos around camping, but I'd really like to spend some time talking about some training stuff. Examples of some of that was on this trip. Talk a little bit about some of the things that we use and some of the things that we do. And so anyway, anything else you can think of, Terry?
No. I think we had a good time here. It was beautiful. The leaves are turning, so it was. The boys had fun playing in the leaves because we don't have trees at home. So they enjoyed rolling in the leaves and having a good time playing with the kids next door. It was a fun trip. The weather was perfect. It was 93 degrees, but it didn't feel it. It was great.
No, it was a beautiful trip. We like this campsite, Lake Thunderbird. It actually has two different sections. We went and visited the other section yesterday. And,
this is the nicer section.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, it was pretty nice. We were up against the lake, but we couldn't get down to fish on this site. But there were a couple neat things around by. So I'll share some more information about Lake Thunderbird in the comments below. So we really appreciate your all support. We're up to 925 subscribers. Can you believe that?
Wow.
My goodness, I didn't even realize we had that kind of.
We just have fun.
And we just have fun and share our adventures with you all. But we want to share some tips. We've only been RVing now for about 10 months. And we've learned so much, and from our mistakes,
as everyone does.
Yes, absolutely. But we want to share some of the memories that we have had, and I am going to do more flying videos, right?
Yes.
And yeah, and then we'll try to do some more training things and stuff over the next few months. So we hope to be back camping again in late February, early March next year. But keep checking out our vlog. We're going to try to keep doing weekly videos. And we're so grateful for you all. If you really do like our content, we'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe. And if you like our videos, please hit the like button. I think that just helps us to share some of the fun that we have with new people. Anything else, Terry?
No.
All right, boys. We're going home. You ready to go home?
Yeah.
Where's Tyson? There's Tyson. Hey.
Hey, Tyson.
All right, guys. We really appreciate you all, and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See ya. So, Abby's back in her storage shed. It's not really a shed, it's actually a storage unit. We have power and trickle chargers. A little tight in there, but she's going to maintenance next week. A few little checks and such, but she's been a good season. We've enjoyed it. Take care, Abby.